Think succulents are only for tiny pots on windowsills? Think again. These trailing varieties don't just grow, they spill, cascade, and completely transform any corner into a green masterpiece. Some are fuzzy, some glow with color, and one looks like a necklace of pearls. But they all have one thing in common. They thrive on neglect. Burro is a must-have if you want thick trailing stems that look like braided vines. It's one of the most dramatic succulents when grown in a hanging basket, spilling over in a lush green waterfall. String of pearls is a conversation starter. Its round bead-like leaves drape elegantly and give a modern playful vibe to any indoor setup. String of hearts brings a romantic twist. With heart-shaped leaves and a marbled pattern, this fast grower looks amazing tumbling from a high shelf or windowsill. String of dolphins is where the fun begins. Its leaves genuinely resemble tiny dolphins in mid-jump. It's quirky, easy to grow, and perfect for plant lovers who like something different. Fantasy Venice isn't just pretty, it's a showstopper. With shades of purple, white, and green, this trailing beauty instantly adds color and style to any room. String of bananas is fast-growing and super simple to care for. The banana-shaped leaves grow on long vines, making it one of the best choices for hanging baskets. Elephant bush might grow upright in pots, but hang it and you'll see how beautifully it spills and spreads. Glossy green leaves and reddish stems give it a bold contrast. String of buttons looks like a stacked sculpture. Its tightly packed leaves spiral around the stem, and the whole plant has a geometric charm that suits modern homes perfectly. Ruby necklace offers a stunning contrast of red stems and green leaves. With enough sun, the colors deepen, making it one of the most eye-catching spilling succulents you can grow. Calico kitten is all about color and pattern. With oval-shaped leaves in green, pink, and cream, this succulent creates a mat-like spill over the edge of its pot. Rat-tail cactus has long, thin stems that look like ropes. They can grow several feet long and even change color over time, from green to sandy beige. Monkey's tail is a fluffy cascading cactus that starts to trail dramatically once it hits about 2 feet. It's soft-looking, unusual, and absolutely unforgettable. Peperomia hope is a compact vining succulent perfect for desks and small corners. Its round leaves grow in groups and trail gently for a clean, minimalist look. String of watermelon has plump striped leaves that look just like tiny watermelon rinds. They're unique, colorful, and absolutely perfect for a kitchen window. Christmas cactus spills beautifully and blooms just in time for the holidays. With scalloped leaves and bright flowers, it adds both greenery and seasonal cheer. Trailing jade brings drama with its thick weeping vines and jade-like leaves. A hint of pink or purple on the edges adds extra flair. Fishbone cactus is bold and tropical looking. Its zigzagging foliage gives to an unusual architectural appeal that really stands out in any space. Blue chalk sticks add a cool tone splash with their silvery blue finger-like leaves. Great in hanging baskets or as a filler around taller plants. Silver Dollar Vine features rounded coin-like leaves with a soft silvery sheen. It's tough, drought-resistant, and effortlessly stylish. And there you have it, spilling succulents that can take your home or garden from plain to jaw-dropping with barely any effort. If you love discovering these gorgeous plants, hit that like button and subscribe. We've got more low-maintenance plant ideas coming your way.